Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create a folder on your Windows device. Well, there are two methods available to make a folder and we will explore both the methods. First, you have to head over to your file explorer, click on the file explorer, and then you just have to head over to the location you want your folder to be created. Well, the first option is to right click on the file explorer, and as you can see on the fifth option you can see the new button. Head over to the new button, drag your mouse to the new button, and here you can see a bunch of sub options here: folder, shortcut and other options. Drag your mouse to the folder option and click on it, and as you can see the folder has been created. Rename the folder as you wish to. I will rename it to my pictures, and here you go, the folder has been successfully created. Now the second option is to look up to the control panel of your file explorer on the top, and here you can see a bunch of options. Like on the top left corner it says new and it says other options too. We will just have to head our mouse to the new option, drag the mouse to the new option on the top left of the screen, click on it, and here as you can see the previous options are all available here too. Click on the folder option and I will rename it to, let's say, all videos. There you go, the folder has been created. Now I will just click on it and there you go, it is empty because we have yet to add stuff in here. So you can add your videos, photos and multiple stuff here. So that's it. There are the two methods of creating a folder on your Windows device. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and like and share this video.